Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg. For those of you who do not know me, in today's video, I am going to show you a couple easy, simple money makers that in MLM and network marketing, these comp plans are absolutely lucrative. And when you compare them to a lot of comp plans out there that are really complex, people don't understand them, and a lot of times they give washback to the company, especially binary comp plans where you get paid on the smaller leg only. In my opinion, binary comp plans absolutely suck, and I've been involved in network marketing, let's just say for 30 some years, and marketing digitally online for over 22 years. And I've been involved in binaries and matrices. In my opinion, matrices help the average person way more, especially forced matrices. Because forced matrices, especially the newer ones that are launching, I'm talking, within the last few years, there are, of course, some that have launched in the last few years that pay peanuts, basically pennies, and they disguise it with a percentage like 2.5%, 5% of your BV or whatever. But what it equates to is 25 cents a person in your downline or 50 cents a person in your downline, which is absolutely atrocious. And then, like I mentioned, binaries tend to wash back to the company because you're only getting paid on the weak leg. And so it usually only rewards the leaders or the heavy hitters like me and my son, who can go pound several hundred people personally into any kind of type of comp plan. Now, these two companies, one of them's 5 years old and just starting to take off because people have recognized that the comp plan pays very well, and that's what you're looking at my screen. And I'm going to enlarge this a little bit just so you can see it a little bit better. And this is simple as it gets, and easy, simple money makers. This is simple because it's a forced matrix. So every time, like, me and my son sponsor anybody, it automatically flows underneath the next people. So if we come in here and put 400 people into here, we're literally going to help 400 people earn, because of the fact that it pays so much per downline member. And this company has been flying under the radar, well, step by step, for a while. 5 years, it's been paying like clockwork, and it's just starting to really take off. Right now is the optimal time to get into it, because this is going to hit momentum phase where it's going to just absolutely blow up because it's so simple. You don't need a degree to understand the comp plan. You don't need to go read a PDF. You just need a screenshot like this. Nothing complicated. So here's how it works. Fast start bonus, $25 for all personal enrollments. So if you personally refer people, which you should, $25 paid to you every single time up front for every single referral you bring into this business. Now, this business is only $30 a month, basically $28 plus they charge the tax, which comes out to like 30 something, $30.03 or whatever. But what that means is there's no admin fees, there's no affiliate fees. You're just paying a straight up $30 a month, and for every person you refer to this company, you get paid $25. So you refer 3 people, you make $75. You refer 100 people, you make 25 times 100, which is $2,500 just up front. But where it gets really good for the average person is For people who struggle to refer people, they can make money without referring people at all, because no matter who puts the person into your downline, you literally will get paid on the first level, because this is a 3x8. You will get paid $10 commission on your first level, which holds 3 people, which equals $30. So total monthly, $30. So you are broke even already, no matter who puts them there. So now you are already breaking even, nothing out of pocket. That's what makes the new comp plans like this so simple and such an easy moneymaker, because you do not need a ton of people residually to cover your cost. In comp plans where you get paid residually 25 cents, 50 cents, or anything like that, you're going to need a lot more people in order to even come close to breaking even. Now, the second level, the third level, the fourth level, the fifth level, the sixth level, the seventh level, and the eighth level in this comp plan all pay, well, besides the second level, pays $5 commission per member in that level, which would hold 9. So now you're basically making not $75, you're basically making $45, because your total income is $75, $30 from the first level, which is covering your cost, and now you're making $45 per month, whether you put them there or not. Second level pays $5 per person. Then the rest of the levels, like I said, pay $2 per person, and this is a small matrix, but you have 6,000 potential 561 people in the 8th level, which could pay you totally of $19,000 plus per month in total monthly income from each one of these levels. Now, this is not a huge undertaking, or to not realize through a force matrix these levels where you could be making, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, because that they pay so high residually. So you're not having to, hope that you get 50,000 or 20,000 people in your downline to make any kind of realistic money. If you were getting paid 25 cents and you had 25,000 people, I believe it's in your downline, times 25 cents per member, like some comp plans pay, you'd be making roughly like $6,000, but you need 25,000 people in your downline. And in this, you roughly need about 3,000 people in your downline, and you're making over $6,609 monthly residually. Well, Step by Step is one of those companies that is absolutely taking off right now. We build multiple income streams, and we are absolutely on board with this, absolutely just plowing forward, putting people in, because this is a no-brainer. The masses are attracted to it because it doesn't cost much, $30 a month. Like I said, no admin fee, no affiliate fee, none of that extra stuff. People just pay their monthly, and that is it. And they have plenty of great digital products and a savings club and all of that. It is a no-brainer in our opinion completely. Now, this is the first one. The second one is something that has just launched. Actually launched about 20 days ago roughly. And again, this is a 3x8 matrix. And again, this one is $28 straight up per month. AI Viral Downline, and pays $10 per person, which again equals $30 per month, no matter who puts them there, because again, it's a forced matrix. Does not matter who puts them in your downline. So when that happens, you are in profit very quickly, or break even with your first 3 members. And then every level after that, again, this pays the same way as Wealth Step by Step. $2, except Wealth Step by Step pays $5 on that second level. So you're making even more money. And then again, $2, $2, $2. Where this one differs is on level 8, they pay $3, which makes up for the $5 that was paid on level 2 and a little bit more, where the full matrix total could pay you $26,000 a month. And between the two programs, you would have an outlay of literally only roughly $60 a month, and the potential to earn with a team that is growing rapidly maybe $2,000 a month, maybe $1,000 a month. That's without you sponsoring anybody. Now, of course, I never encourage anybody to get involved in something if they're not going to try, and they're not going to try to sponsor people, because these programs are as easy as it gets. And if you're looking for easy, simple money makers, then look no further. You're never going to find anything that has leverage in it that pays this kind of commissions to lots of people, that leverages the playing field. Because without leverage, even affiliate marketing, and this is one of the last things I'm going to say, is affiliate marketing is downright extremely hard. And there's no leverage in it unless you turn something into leverage with affiliate marketing versus network marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you don't make a sale, most of the time there's no residuals paid. So you can be out there advertising the same way, and maybe you make a few commissions here and there, but you're not part of a team. You're in competition with every other single person who is promoting it. Whereas in network marketing, you're part of a team where you can capitalize on leverage, especially in a forced matrix. I mean, all of them have leverage. In network marketing, MLM, there have been over 15 million millionaires created because of the leverage effect in network marketing. Affiliate marketing, not so much. And the more people that come online to try to make money, affiliate marketing has a huge foothold that people see a lot of times first. And that has the most competition, and you're not part of a team, and has no leverage unless you create it. And the only way you're going to create that leverage in affiliate marketing is you're going to have to out-advertise your competition. So you're either going to have to be glued to your computer screen 24/7, or you're going to have an absolutely huge budget to outspend them. Because a lot of the best affiliate programs online are dominated by people who've been in the market forever, or they already are getting 500,000 visitors to their blog a month, or they've already understood, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and are spending a small fortune to make the money they make. And you're never going to compete with that, because you need leverage to keep money coming in. And most affiliate programs online don't offer residual income. And when you get a customer, it becomes the customer of the company. You usually only get paid up front in true affiliate marketing. In network marketing, the customer is yours for life, meaning they buy anything else, you get paid. They're always tagged to you. And me and my son doing this as a living, both affiliate marketing, network marketing, all of these years, the one thing that has always remained the highest paying for us by far is always been network marketing. It doesn't matter what we have promoted. Network marketing has paid us residually from some companies over a decade. and more. Because of the fact a lot of times these people remain customers for life and they keep promoting. Why? Because you keep your customers, you have leverage, and people are looking to build wealth. You attract people that are looking to change their lives financially. And these easy, simple money makers like AI Viral Downline and Wealth Step by Step are the perfect vehicles for anyone who is a beginner, has no experience, and is absolutely looking to change their lives or add to their budget every single month through starting to make, $500 a month, $1,000 a month. Hey, maybe you can't see $20,000 a month, but if you can see, hey, I'd like to make an extra $500, I'd like to make an extra $1,000 a month. These are the easiest and simplest type of programs you're ever going to promote to make that kind of money, because you don't need experience. You don't need to create anything. These companies have all of the marketing links for you. You don't need to go out and create all these crazy funnels and do all this crazy stuff. Just share your links. That's it. And we can show you numerous ways to share your links. And when you join us in either one of these programs, I'll leave a description underneath this YouTube video so that you can join either one of these programs or both with us. And you will get emails from us that will share with you how we promote them and how you can too, for free, very simply, and learn how to market them, because that is the biggest common denominator in the people that make the most money, is in the marketing. It's not in how fancy you get in creating funnels and all this kind of crazy stuff. It's in the marketing. Your business is like a needle in a haystack, and if you understand and learn how to share it to lots of people, which is not complicated, and we make it extremely simple for you to do so. So other than that, my friends, I will leave links in the description below this video, and we look forward to working with you. Hope you have a great day and a happy holidays, and we will see you on the next video.